alaikum, mijn naam is Sumaya and welcome to Marroquí Taste. Today I'm going to make lemon chicken tajine. And the key of this recipe is to use preserved lemons. So make sure you buy them at your local market. And if you cannot find any preserved lemons, no worries, you can also make this at home. If you want me to share this recipe, let me know in the comments section and I will try to make a video anytime soon. And for this recipe I will be cooking in a glazed tajine. In my other video once I explained that you have the one which is painted and glazed and the non-glazed ones. And I just prefer to make the chicken one in this one because it gives a little bit of different taste to the chicken. And if you don't have a tajine, you can also use any regular pan. I really hope you will try this recipe and let's start. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and will try this recipe out. I will go and enjoy this delicious tagine. It smells amazing. So don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Bye! See you next time!